So I just got out of school, and I'm vlogging. I just got out of school, so I'm vlogging. Look, there's a trolley over there. Trolley! It's a trolley. I answered all of my forms and everything, so I'm going to post-prom tomorrow.
You said it was alright that you passed in late?
Yep.
3 forms you passed in.
Yep.
The handicap
Yep,
thing?
and then I have the handicap pass right here. Anyway, so we're going to post-prom tomorrow, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited for post-prom. So happy I'm not going to actual prom. But yeah. What?
Building went up fast.
Yeah. So we're going to McDonald's because I really, really want a frap. What are you gonna get?
Cheeseburgers, French fries.
Gonna get a frap?
Yeah.
I want my chocolate chip frap.
I can't eat all that shit. I'll get my frap tonight on the way to the water.
Okay, I'm done. Organic coffee? Ew, I want organic coffee.
You probably never noticed the difference.
Isn't organic like bushes and stuff?
It just means it's natural.
Ew. How do you make natural coffee?
Coffee comes from coffee beans that are grown, you know.
Coffee beans actually grown? Like what are they grown? A coffee bean tree? There's no such thing as a coffee tree. I think I've heard of it. I think I would have heard of it. We would have
Oh, I'm telling you.
There's no such thing as a coffee tree, Dad. It must be a certain tree.
Quarter pounder. What's that shit?
Bacon, habanero, habasamano.
How hungry are you? And an apple pie. You can have the apple pie.
I don't like apple pie. I don't like pie.
All right, well,
I hate
I'll
pie.
eat the fucking thing.
I freaking hate pie. I don't know why either.
Can't give any to the dog though. She's having good poop. So
Okay, Dad, what the hell am I gonna give her? I didn't get anything. Are you gonna sit with us and eat?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were just gonna go drop me off and go back to work. Okay.
I'm gonna feed her. We're gonna take her out, and then she's all yours.
Okay. So I got myself a medium chocolate chip frap. Yum.
Give me a sip of it.
I haven't even taken a sip yet.
Look at that. I want one of them.
So good.
Oh, I got some
Coffee doesn't it taste
nuts
like
or something.
it's chocolate bits. See it? Chocolate bits.
God, I gotta sit back.
I told you to get one.
No. I can't eat.
Lexi, are you excited for your first walk? Hey.
First, you don't even have the boats on our boat, the ropes on our boat.
What?
You don't even have the ropes on our boat.
We don't have the ropes on.
You think you're going?
Taking the dog for her first boat ride. I don't know where she went though. Oh, there she is. She's just chilling in the front of the boat like a loser.
Like a loser?
All by herself, like a loner. Hey, Lexi. Lexi. Look at me. Hi.
Hi, Bubby. There you go.
And yeah, we're at the boat dock.
Bubby. Hey, Bubby. Lexi, look at me.
Rude. Lexi Lulu.
Good, you like it? You like it? Sit down.
Ow.
Lexi, sit. I'll give you a treat. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Good girl.
On the boat, 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 boat. So we are on the boat. I'm vlogging because when don't I vlog? I vlog every second of my life, and Alyssa loves it. And I'm on a boat. My boat. Did we ever name the boat? Hey, did we ever name the boat?
No.
Were we gonna name it Swifty at one point?
Yeah.
Anyway, what? Did we ever name the boat? We did? Okay. Okay, so we named the boat Swifty, apparently. And this is tons of old music on right now, and it's bothering me. So I don't like old music. I like 90s. 90s is as old as I will go. But the lake is behind. Well, not lake, but the ocean. No. What would you call this right now? It's not the lake. It's not the ocean. Is it the ocean?
Back river.
We're in a river.
Back river.
We're in the back river.
40 days.
Yeah, so pretty much there's like nothing really going on. So I'm just hanging out with my dog. It's her first boat ride. There's a boat behind us watching me vlog. Hey guys, what's up? Can I vlog you? There? Are you back there? Where are you? Maybe, I don't know. But I'm just gonna go up front.
We'll be down here. Look how low it is. Huh? Shallow.
Lexi!
Lexi!
Check out Jen and Steve tomorrow morning at 7:30 because they'll announce the next Justin Timberlake song of the day. That's tomorrow morning.
Hey, babe.
Here on XLO.
Roll into spring with a new Fiat from Herb Chambers Fiat of Worcester.
New
Check
Fiat.
out our huge selection on Route 20 in Millbury. Right now, you can lease a brand
Look, I
new
see
2013
Boston.
Fiat 500 Pop hatchback for only $99
I see New York,
per month
Dad.
for 36 months. And enjoy up to 40 miles per gallon. Visit Herb Chambers Fiat of Worcester on Route 20 in Millbury or shop us online at herbchambersfiat.com.
Get away from me.
Have to bag a whole fries. No. Hi people, I'm filming you. Whale watch? That's a whale watch.
Whales in here, man.
Oh, I'm scared now. Is that am I entertaining you? I see a whale! I'm making myself.
We are shining stars. This I know. I never said we are.
I have no idea.
Though I've never been through hell like that. I've closed enough windows. No, you can never look back. If you're lost and alone, or you're sinking like a stone,
Carry on. What'd you say? What's a vessel? Oh. How would I know what a fucking vessel is?
Well, it's on a train.
Are there floating trains?
Oh, get the stick.
Get the stick.
Good girl. Good girl. So much for your bath. Good girl. You want your sandals?
Oh, fine. You can stop and start whatever you want.
Can you zoom?
No. Not on video. On pictures you can. Hi.
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 What you doing, hey?
I'm watching my dog. I'm a weirdo. And it's so pretty. Look at it. It's so pretty.
Not as pretty as you.
That's pretty too.
Ooh, panoramic view. Woo. Lexi! Lexi, mata mama!
Lexi, come here.
Come here, boo!
Lexi. Dad, call her.
Here she comes! She's running! Woo!
Buddy. Hi. Oh.
Is the baby all wet?
Yeah,
The baby's all wet. The baby's all wet. Woo!
Want to watch us skip a rock? Ready? Like, where'd it go?
Take a treat and throw it in the water and she'll go get it. That's what you do up at
Give me a treat. Where are the treats? Lexi, are you in the water? Are you in the water? She's in the water. She's chasing the waves. Dad, look it. Dad, look. Dad, turn around.
I just want to push it over, that's all. As the tide goes out, we'll be stuck here until the tide goes back in.
Did you like the water bubbles? Yeah? You look like a brown puppy.
She's a drowned puppy. This is so entertaining. Lexi, let her? Okay, so
Yeah, it's getting dark.
I did my eye
Drink our
makeup.
sodas? No.
My eye makeup, and I'm doing this eye makeup for prom, post prom.
What?
I said I'm doing this eye makeup for post prom.
Are you really doing the other girl's makeup?
I might, I don't know. Actually,
Who?
Fronte, she asked if I could.
Where?
I don't know. Anyway, so
You're not going over her house.
why?
You want to?
If her mother says one word to me.
Well, you know she's going to.
Okay, so
Do you
let's
want
see.
that brown towel? Yeah.
The water's still behind me, and we're still out on the boat. And no time has passed since you saw the last clip, but about 5-10 minutes has passed. So my doggy is getting in the boat.
You look like
Let's see the drowned rat. Let's see her in all of her. Oh, oh, she's precious.